Hi! In this video, we're going to continue our chapter, Motion in Magnetic Fields. And now we're going to apply an experiment, moving a wire inside a field. Now, this experiment lets us investigate what happens when we move a wire in a magnetic field. Observe. Does any current flow when you move the wire upwards? And that's correct. The current flows when we move the wire upwards. Now, in which direction does the current flow when you move the wire downwards? For sure, current flows. And for sure, it's not in the same direction as before. So yes, it is in the opposite direction to before. This experiment shows the electromagnetic induction. When do we say the current is induced? A current is only induced in the wire when it cuts across the magnetic field lines. But no current is induced when the wire moves along the magnetic field lines. Now, in order to find the value of the induced current, it is measured using an ammeter. We've seen that the wire moves in the magnetic field and current is induced. Let's try varying the speed. Watch the ammeter and guess when is the current the greatest. Yes, the correct answer is when the wire is moving quickly. When the wire is not moving at all, the current is not induced. When the wire is moving slowly, you can see that the needle doesn't point at a large number. On the other hand, when the wire is moving quickly, you can see that the current is the greatest.